So, first of all, very good morning to all faculty members of various engineering departments. Today, I am going to share my view on importance of pursuing research program in technical education. The title of the proposed seminar is How to Start a Research Career in Teaching. And this is the proposed outline of work as given in the sequential flow pattern. Before moving to the seminar presentation, I would like to give some important objectives of research in technical education in recent today's scenario. And this will be a better initiative of this seminar by highlighting the program objectives in brief. The main objective is to enhance the knowledge of academicians in research. Next thing, exploring new ideas through research and implementing it in a particular domain area. At last, getting more reputation by national and international level. So these are some of the key objectives of today's seminar session. And now let us continue with the main theme of presentation. So what is research generally in technical education? The research refers to the field of exploring new ideas, new concepts or methodologies in specific domain area of interest. So the research should be of more evidential oriented. Whatever the data which you are trying to collect through some source, that should relate to the present scenario as a mark of evidence. So then only the area of proposed research work, whoever able to carry on, that will become more realistic and more meaningful in nature. Each and every research work should be of more evidential, outcome oriented. This is a fundamental thing to be noted as being a researcher in a technical education area. Next, what are the primary need of research in education? First and foremost thing is how to improve the teaching and learning process in the classroom activity. Every academicians must have a strong platform in research. So this will help them to teach in more advanced level to the students by cultivating the research practice in the UG, PG level and also in the PhD level programs. And at the same time, the quality of teaching learning process can be further much broadly extended to the global level. Next, improving the educational policies. So every universities in different states have to invest a lot of fund for bringing out various research-oriented the programs, training programs to update the knowledge of students and faculty members. Next one, addressing the challenges of today in technical education. So each and every academicians, they have to identify the gap found in the technology and how they are going to fulfill those gaps by partnering themselves with industries and other government agencies for their research studies. Next, advancing knowledge and innovation. Every academician, it's their primary duty, responsibility to advance the career by registering themselves for a PhD program and encouraging innovation to the students by doing a lot of innovative project work. The next, cultivating innovation and creativity through by disseminating their research knowledge through publication, filing of patents, etc., and also getting fund from the government agencies. Next, we are going to discuss about what are the various classifications of research. There are two areas. One is quantitative research, the other one is qualitative research. What does the quantitative research states? Here, a researcher will involve in doing lot of statistical mathematical model oriented studies by collecting the data, implementing those numerical data through a mathematical modeling equation, or performing a statistics analysis study. From that, they will try to identify what is the inference of their own research work. Next one is qualitative research. Here, case study oriented or field survey oriented research studies will be conducted by the researcher. These are the two significant variation between quantitative and qualitative research studies. How to develop a passion for research as an young academician who are new to the teaching field. One of the most primary way to show your passion towards R&D, research and development, is to take up your own personal projects that can be of mini project or more simplest problem area according to your field of interest. So start developing your own design prototype or doing a technical field survey or writing a research article or developing a software. Through these various sources, you can able to find anyone to improve your passion towards the research and development in technical education. What are the effective ways to show your passion for research and development in today's recent scenario? First thing, as I've already insisted, that work on your own personal projects by having 2 or 3 students along with you as a team. Then keep updating yourself with the latest trend and developments in the technology, what is going on at present. Then seek proper collaboration and the feedback from both internal stakeholders and external stakeholders to ensure whether you are going in the right path in the research journey or not. Who are the internal and external stakeholders? Internal stakeholders is nothing but our own colleagues, faculty members, and also our students. External stakeholders through industry consultancy agencies and so on. Then next thing is express your joy, enthusiasm, and a clear vision in setting up your research goals. Last one, demonstrating your knowledge, expertise, and skills in the proposed chosen area of the R&D work. These are the key steps to improve your passion for research and development. Identify your areas of interest in research. What are the possible way to set your areas of interest in research? First, start thinking of topics or the current issues that spark your curiosity towards research and development. And next thing, interact with knowledgeable senior professors and co-advisors in the department. And that will keep a fire to explore more existing data or information in the research. Even further, you can participate in all India level seminars and workshops for collecting more number of information in the chosen area of domain. Then working on with hackathon like real world projects, etc. How to build up a strong foundation, how to develop your areas of interest in research. So what are the possible, the things should be present in the research, areas of interest in research. So the first thing is we need to develop a research statement by stating the past, current, and also the future by making a write-up of 2-3 pages, a short abstract. And also it must have the detailed introduction, the future research plan, alignment with the targeted lab in which you are going to propose your experiment, and with a strong conclusion of your research. These are the things you must have in the areas of interest in research. Even for a faculty job recruitment, most of the central universities are expecting a research plan and teaching plan for the job applicant. So from that, they will try to understand the psychology of the faculty members, how they are aligned themselves with the research studies, how to develop a strong foundation in research. So through conducting a detailed literature survey through international and national level by reading out the past journals, already published work. So from that, you can take some key references for your problem finding. So what is the foundation for any research design? The first thing, set the questionnaire for your areas of study, and this will guide the particular researcher throughout their entire research journey by focusing their continuous effort. The next thing, formulate clear objectives and goals as per the research questions. And this will address you further any specific issues by deep diving for further investigation in the proposed area of research studies. Then at last, publish your findings in research. Once after getting succeed in all the experimentation part, methodology and other aspects, last thing is after getting the outcome, that is experimental results, so you need to publish in a worldwide reputed journal. So this creates a credibility and a reputation uh, based on your areas of expertise. And also your profile can build up quite larger by focusing on reputed journal. What are the steps to publish your own research findings? Choosing a reputed journal worldwide and start writing your paper, then do the proper formatting before making your submission as easy as possible. Then follow up the peer review process every now and then. Once the paper gets accepted, it will be put under production process and it will be made live through online to everyone. So these are the steps to publish your research findings through a journal mode. And with all this basic information, now I want to conclude the seminar session. So the first thing, we started discussing about the importance of research in technical education. What are the different types of research classifications, and continue to that, how to develop a passion towards research and development, and what are the various strong foundation to be kept updated in research studies. So with this, I conclude in nutshell, the research not only enhances the knowledge of the faculty, it also improves the quality of teaching and learning process between students and faculty members. So thus, it creates a strong ecosystem in the education field. The researcher can able to maximize his or own reputation by actively involving by doing high productive research tasks. At last, the research can able to extend his or own knowledge by promoting his idea through public open forums like technical seminars, workshops, etc. So with this, I propose my acknowledgement of thanks to all people who are yet to watch this recorded video presentation through YouTube link. Thank you, one and all. And this is just a simple quote for all academicians of today, the young academicians in education field. So every teacher has to keep in mind that teaching needs a strong, vibrant ecosystem that supports experiential based learning, that is evidence based practice, according to the Benjamin Bloom's outcome based education. We have to focus the teaching in that level, and it needs a better understanding of system in order to promote the results of research more widely by proper understanding of research so that every teacher can become a critical consumers of evidence. So with this, I close the lecture series. Once again, I thank all the members. Thank you, one and all.